Tossing rice in a wok like when making fried rice is a skill Chinese chefs practice a lot. It's not for show, it keeps the rice moving so it doesn't burn and helps it mix evenly with sauce and aromatics. Today I am going to teach you everything that you never knew about fried rice. By the time you have watched this video, you will have learnt how to cook fried rice at home, how fried rice is cooked in a Chinese takeaway, but most importantly, you will have learnt how to practice tossing in a wok without wasting any food. So let's start at the beginning. You try to cook fried rice at home. When you flip the wok, rice ends up on the floor on the counter and you just don't know how to keep all of the rice in the wok. What you have to do is this one simple trick. To a dry wok, do not turn on the heat, simply add a few cups of dry rice and then we are going to practice the motion of flipping the rice. This will give you a feel for what exactly you have to be doing without wasting any food. Use your non-dominant hand to hold the wok, pulling the wok in and out, while at the same time using the spatula on your dominant hand to push the rice forward. Cooking fried rice at home is completely different from cooking fried rice in a Chinese restaurant or takeaway. First of all, at home you want to fully coat your wok with oil, drain off the excess oil and always allow your wok to heat up until it's smoking hot before you add anything to it. Once your wok is heated up, add in the eggs. Under high heat, your eggs will be scrambled in approximately 20 seconds. Break them up in the same way that you would if you were scrambling eggs. We want to then remove the eggs. The reason why we remove the eggs is because we do not want the soy sauce to discolor the vibrant color of the eggs when we add the soy sauce to the rice. This is a day-old rice, which is much easier to fry, so use a day-old rice, keep it in the fridge from the night before, and you've practiced your flipping motion with your dry rice so you can now cook fried rice like a pro. Now you are simply going to add some salt, sugar, MSG, a mixture of dark and light soy sauce. Use the bottom of your spatula to spread the soy sauce around the top of the rice. This will help colour all of the grains faster and easier. Now, wasn't the practice with the dry rice and cold wok worth it? Now you are a step closer to becoming a professional Chinese chef. Always remember to keep your rice moving. Now that the rice has soaked up the soy sauce, we can put in the eggs. The eggs will not discolor and they will pop out on the plate against the brown rice and we have those lovely vibrant colour. This is how to cook rice at home. But what if you want to cook it like the Chinese takeaway or restaurant? What's the easier way? If you don't want to practice, you can always do this next step. In a busy Chinese restaurant or takeaway setting, we do not have time to cook rice in the way I have just showed you at home. 2 or 3 portions of fried rice is no good to us. We want to do it the easy way, the fast way, and we want tons of it. So this is what we do. And you can do this at home the easy way. In a Chinese restaurant, we have huge colanders full of already cooked boiled rice. We simply add the salt, sugar, MSG, dark and light soy sauce, put on a pair of plastic gloves, use our hands to mix the whole lot together. Now you can do this at home. This is very easy. It speeds up the whole process, makes things a lot easier and faster at home. There's no difference in taste. You won't be able to tell a difference. This is just so simple if you're in a hurry. All you have to do is simply mix the soy sauce and other ingredients through the rice, making sure you break up any clumps of rice that there may be. Once there is no grains of white rice left, that is your rice ready for the next step. Now that the rice is all coloured and there is no white grains left, well maybe there's a few in this, but this is for demonstration purposes. I'm just speeding things up because I'm in a hurry here today. So once that's done, we repeat the same process. Heat up your wok, cover it with oil, drain off the excess oil. And the reason we are doing this time, we are cooking the eggs individually again because we do not want the eggs discolored with the soy sauce which we've already mixed into the rice. Once we scramble the eggs again, which will take about 20 seconds, don't forget to always have to heat up your wok before adding anything to it. Once your eggs are scrambled like this, simply turn off the heat, remove the eggs, put them on top of the rice, use your gloves again, mix the eggs through the rice until it's evenly mixed. There you have your fried rice, and then you can return that to the wok and simply heat it up. Much easier, simpler way to do it. A quick shout out to my latest private members, David McElrath, Vicky Irvine, David Stevenson, Janet Heideman. Thank you very much for becoming private members. You help me keep going, give me the incentive to make these videos and help pay for the ingredients. Thank you.